Integrating Stripe with Klarna is a straightforward process that enables businesses to offer their customers a buy now pay later option. To start, you need to have a Stripe account and a Klarna account. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Payments Methods section. Click on Add Payment Method and select Klarna from the list of available payment methods. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website to authenticate and authorize Stripe to access your Klarna account. Once you have authorized Stripe to access your Klarna account, you will be redirected back to the Stripe dashboard. Here, you will need to configure the Klarna payment method by specifying the countries and currencies you want to support. You can also customize the payment method to fit your business needs by specifying the payment terms and fees. To test the integration, create a test payment by navigating to the Payments section and clicking on Create Payment. Select Klarna as the payment method and enter the required information such as the customer's name and email address. You can then verify that the payment has been successfully created by checking the payment status. When you are ready to go live, navigate to the Payments Methods section and toggle the Klarna payment method from test mode to live mode. This will enable your customers to use Klarna as a payment method when checking out. Best practices for integrating Stripe with Klarna include testing the integration thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected and customizing the payment method to fit your business needs. It is also important to ensure that you are complying with all relevant laws and regulations, such as GDPR and PCI DSS. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate Stripe with Klarna and offer your customers a seamless payment experience. This integration enables businesses to offer their customers a buy now pay later option, which can help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction.